book is Monster Truck by Mercer. Tiger came over to play with his new monster truck. It was called a Squisher. It was so cool. I ran inside and asked my dad, "Can I get the new Squisher too?" "What's wrong with your old truck?" asked Dad. "I got it when I was a baby," I said. "Okay," said Dad, "but you have to do extra chores for 2 weeks to help pay for it." I worked hard. I let the dog out. I took out the trash. I cleaned my room really well. I set the table. I took a bath without a fuss. Finally, I had the money. Dad drove me to the toy store, but when we got there, the Squisher was sold out.
Aww.
"No fair," I said. "Wait," said Dad. "Your Uncle Zeb is in the monster truck rally. He drives a real monster truck. Let's go." We had second row seats, but I couldn't see very well. I got popcorn. Dad got a corn dog. Uncle Zeb did the best tricks. He drove on 2 wheels. Everybody screamed. I got so excited. I spilled my popcorn. Before I knew it, the rally was over. "Let's go see Uncle Zeb," said Dad. And then I got a ride. We zoomed. But that wasn't all. Uncle Zeb said, "I have a surprise for you." He gave me a big box. I opened the box. It was a red monster truck just like Uncle Zeb's.
Wow!
"I got you the last one from the toy store," said Uncle Zeb. When we got home, I ran inside. I called Tiger. "Can you come over to play?" I asked. Tiger and I played with our monster trucks. That night, I dreamed about being a monster truck driver when I grew up. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when Tiger and Little Critter played with their monster trucks together. Thank you for reading with me. Please like and subscribe for more stories, songs, and more. See you next time.